2025 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.